name is Shaheen Armahi, and I am someone who is concerned about the toxic things I bring into my home. I try to avoid toxins in my food and household products. This includes the pesticide found in the insect killer spray. That is why I learned how to make a pesticide-free fly trap. It is safe for you, your family, and your pets. The only ones not safe for are the flies. To make this fly trap, you will need a bottle. Any regular plastic water bottle or empty soda bottle will work. You will also need a scissors or a knife, tape, and bite for the flies. Flies are generally attract the sweet type of food that can remain and ferment. It's best to use fruit or sweet type of vegetables like tomatoes or squash. Before you start, just remember to be careful about the scissors or a knife and even the edges of the bottle after you cut it because it could cut you. Step 1. The very first things you need to do is cut the top of the bottle. You need to make sure you cut the widest part of the bottle because if you cut a narrow part, the top of the bottle will fall into the bottle when inverted, which will ruin your trap. Step 2. Now you should mix your bite. Mix some squashed fruit or vegetables with a little bite of the water, and then fill the bottom of the bottle about 1 inch to 2 inch full depending on the size of the bottle you have used. It is important that you use something the flies will attract to. For example, do not substitute something dry for the water mixture because the flies will not get stuck in it. Step 3. Invert the top of the bottle and place it inside the bottom of the bottle. This will create a way for the flies to fly into the bottle, but will make nearly impossible for them to escape. Step 4. Tape the edge of the bottle together so they will not separate and so there is no space created. Step 5. Place the bottle anywhere in the house where it will be exposed to flies. You do not want it in the home. Sit back and watch the flies pile in. Thank you.